Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic, how you can make money online using AI. Yes, artificial intelligence isn't just for tech geeks, it's a money-making tool you can start using right now. Stick around because I'll break down several legit ways to turn AI into cash. AI tools are transforming the way we work and create online. From content generation to automation, there are multiple ways to leverage AI to earn money, some even without technical skills. Let's start with the first one. Number 1, freelance content creation. AI writing tools like ChatGPT can help you write blog posts, scripts, marketing copy, and more, fast. You can offer services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even start your own website. Clients love efficiency, and AI can give you a huge edge. You can also combine AI with design tools like Canva or MidJourney to create graphics and social media posts for clients. Next up, AI art and NFTs. Tools like DALL-E, MidJourney, or Stable Diffusion can generate amazing digital art in minutes. You can sell your creations on platforms like Etsy, OpenSea, or even as prints. This is especially great if you have a creative streak but lack traditional artistic skills. Number 3, build AI-powered apps or tools. You don't have to be a coding genius. No-code platforms let you create apps that automate tasks, generate content, or even provide chatbot services. Then, you can monetize these apps via subscriptions or one-time sales. AI can also supercharge marketing and e-commerce. For example, you can use AI to generate product descriptions, ad copy, or even entire email campaigns. Store owners will pay for anything that helps them sell faster, and AI can be that secret weapon. Finally, teaching AI skills. As AI grows, people want to learn how to use it. You can create courses, tutorials, or even a YouTube channel teaching AI tools and monetize via ads, sponsorships, or course sales. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money online with AI. Whether you're creative, business-minded, or just curious, there's a method that can work for you. The key is to start experimenting today, learn what works, and scale it up. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with the AI method you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep hustling smart and let AI do the heavy lifting.